Gulati. Hello friends, myself is Ketan Gulati, a student from JUIT, Waknaghat. I am a final student in Computer Science and Engineering. As far as leadership video is concerned, I was initially planning to give a lecture or a presentation on the same. But then I thought meeting somebody who has real life experiences and who has lived his life completely with leadership, it is always better to share his experiences with us. So introducing Brigadier Balbir Singh, Registrar JUIT, and personally my first mentor and first guide in my college. Hello sir. Hi. So many years being in the Indian Army and then dealing with so many students from different locations, different cultures, so much diversity. How do you relate diversity to leadership?
You see, leadership is something which is, people say it's inbuilt, inborn or acquired. Both the things are correct. There are certain qualities which are inborn in a person, there are certain qualities which you acquire over a period of time. The basic stress should be, all of us should acquire those qualities where you become a leader. That means being fair to everybody. That means being helpful to everybody. That means being honest to everybody. That means being absolutely strict with people, because there is no favoritism and there should be no scope in a good leader to say that this is applicable for A, this is not applicable for B. Once you do that, people will follow. The basic example for a good leader is that you should not be forcing your views onto your people. It should come out automatically from the people. That unless you have a motivation, you will not be able to. And a good leader should be able to motivate his people that he works with.
So, according to you, motivation works really well for building up leadership. At this point, sir, there's a question that sometimes it is said that leadership is something everybody gets inborn, and then another view says that leadership is something you can develop. What are your views on?
Definitely, there are good qualities in a leader. Most of the qualities you develop over a period of time. There are very few leaders who have said they were born leaders. They were born to a society where leadership was given. You take Nehru family. They were born to a society that Indian people have been accepting them. Whereas, you go to Lal Bahadur Shastri, go to Manmohan Singh as on today, not born to a society. So that gentleman has acquired those qualities. See, the fairness, everybody says, honesty, his devotion. These are the qualities that moment you devote yourself to any organization, the people start appreciating you. And moment you become absolutely, like I've told you, you got to be very fair if you want your people to follow you.
Alright, sir. So, in the alright, sir. With that,
best of everything. Have a nice this thing and give a talk. Why don't you give a talk? Give a talk to your students also.
Sure, sir. Thank you, sir.
Hello.
That was Brigadier Balbir Singh, and something very nice talk to us about motivation and leadership qualities that can be built in a student or somebody who would be the leader for tomorrow. With that, I would take an end. Thank you.